Why do you travel? Is it to escape life, or for life not to escape you? Have you ever seen a snake in person? Can you guess what kind of snake is this? While you are thinking, I want to say thank you for your support. You have 20 more seconds before the answer is revealed. Leave your answers in the comments section to win prizes. Here is a clue. The answer contains an O and AN. Time to reveal the answer. It's a python. More specifically, an albino Burmese python. Do you think you are brave enough to touch it? If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share and encourage others to subscribe.
Hey iGen fans, thanks again for supporting. See you in the next video.